Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to explain about one of the restaurants or a retail software which we can use it to help us in managing our business. So we know that most of the people who continue to use a pen and paper kind of thing, bookkeeping or whatever it is. So what happened is nowadays we are moving into completely a technology world. So to manage a business, the software is very important. So today we are going to introduce about one of the software which can be used for your restaurant business as well as a retail shop for the POS system, so that I will guide you in the whole process of using the software. And it's a very simple software. If you want to purchase, if you want to know more about it, you can, the contact, everything is provided in the description below this video. So let's get started. So what you see is a login screen of the software. It's a very simple interface. You can see that the first menu is billing. We have stocks where we add all our menu items. We have supplier, purchase, a sales report, and users, customers. There are so many options. So today we are going to focus on how to add our menu items, how to make a bill, how to print it, how to make a takeaway, dining and delivery kind of orders, and how to get the sales report, how to create the tables, and all those kind of things we'll be discussing in this video. So the first thing is creating the menu. So for creating a menu, we click on stocks. So right now it's completely empty. So let's create our restaurant menu, or it can be the item which you want to sell in a retail, grocery, or any other retail business. So I will be, for example, we are doing a demo for the restaurant. So let me add a menu item. So I will add chicken biryani. Press enter, it will go to the item ID. Here also you can type chicken biryani, or if you want some code which can help you in making the bill very fast. So I will put it as chicken CBR, press enter. And this is very important thing, category, because we have to categorize all our menu item. If it is a biryani, we can create it as a biryani category, we can put it as shake category, juice category. There are different options. You can choose what category you want to create, so that it will help you in making the order. So here I will be making a category called as biryani. So once you create a category, you can select from the drop down. Since we don't have any category, we'll be typing the category, press enter. The item cost is the cost of the food. So since we are in the restaurants, it's very difficult to find the cost of the food. For now we are keeping it as 0, because which will help us in calculating profit. But for now we are keeping it as 0. Press enter. Item price is a selling price which we are going to give it to our customer. So I will put it as 15. This is I'm showing a demo in dirhams. So it's 15 dirhams. Press enter. Quantity is if you want to calculate the quantity automatically. Whenever you sell any item, the quantity come one less after one. So we need to make sure that we put the quantity correctly. But when we look at the food item, it's not always easy to find the quantity. So if you can choose to put it as 0, or if you have a system where you can exactly calculate the number of quantity for each food dishes, then you can put quantity. But right now I'm putting it as 0, and it will come to the add stock button. Press enter, and now the item is added. So now I'll add one more item. I'll put mutton biryani. So it will become MBR, category same, press 0, and for the mutton biryani we'll put it as 20 dirhams. Quantity I will put it as 0. So it's added. 2 item has been added for the category of biryani. Let me add one more item, which is chicken curry, CCR, curry category, press 0, and it's 10 dirhams. Quantity 0. I'll add one more category, which is mutton curry, and I'll put it as MCR curry, and it's 12.0. So I've added 2 more menu items to a different category, which is called as curry. And let me add one more item, which is Pepsi PPS Curry's drinks. Here maybe you can have an exact cost, what rate you are getting the Pepsi. So we'll put it as 1 dirhams and selling for 2.5 dirhams, and quantity is 10 piece you have in the stock. Press enter, and now we have 7 up drinks, one same, we have maybe 25 pieces. So right now we have added 6 menu item, and so this is how you can add any menu items to the stock. So I will show you how you can edit any menu item. Double click on any of the menu items, so it will come to this section. If you want to change the price, cost, item price, quantity, you can. If you want to add 10 more quantity, you can put 10, so it will add 10 more quantity to the existing quantity. So right now we have Pepsi 10, so if you add 10 more it will become 20. So you can see that the quantity has been increased from 10 to 20. So that's how you can add new stocks whenever you receive it. So this is basically about how you can create the menu, and also you can, if you want to delete, you can refresh, you see all item, click on any of the menu item, you can click on delete, it will delete the menu item from the menu. So this is how you add it. So let's go to the billing section. So this is very simple billing section with more functions included, but it looks simple because not like any other software in the system in the market. So we have basically into 3 options. We have dine-in option, takeaway option, and delivery option. Okay, so if you want dine-in, it will show you table design. Takeaway, you can collect customer details. Delivery, similar way, you can take mobile number, the address for delivery, and things like that. So when you come to dining, you have option to create a table design. So before we go to the billing screen, I will show you how you can create table design. If you go to admin, you can see there is something called as table design. So right now we don't have anything, so let me create some of the table. I will create 3 small table and 3 big table. So I will drag it, I will arrange it based on our current shop. So I've designed the table. We have 6 table, 3 big table and 3 small table. So if I go to billing, and I will show you a demo of creating a dine-in order. I click on dine-in, I can see that there are 6 tables. Suppose a customer come on the first table, I click 1, and we can see our category here. I click on biryani, they ordered a biryani, for example. I will add chicken biryani. As soon as you click it, on the right side you see that it's been added 15, and if you want to, you can click twice, or you can select here and you can add quantity from here, or you can do a minus from here. And I will add 1 more mutton biryani, and curry, maybe mutton curry, and drinks, maybe 2 Pepsi and 2 7-Up and 2 Pepsi. So we have all our orders here. So right now if you see the below, we have a place where you can increase the quantity. You can clear the item so that entire the menu will get entire order will get empty. We have cancel order. The cancel order will be controlled by your membership or the access permission. Only the manager will be able to cancel an order once it's a confirmed order. So we have an option to send to kitchen. For example, if you have multiple kitchen, you can keep separate printer on each of these kitchen. So whenever you click send to kitchen, based on the item, it will print to different kitchen. For example, if there is some items called as shawarma or something like that in the list, it will go to the shawarma kitchen counter. So we have a settings where we choose we assign printers to the item. So that's very easy thing, we can do it. Then the next screen is pay screen. If you want to close the bill and we have to collect the money from people, so click on pay. We have an option to put the received amount. We can select cash, card, or cancel, or credit. If you don't want print, you can remove the print from here, or if you want print, you can by default there is a print. So we have an option also for credit option for managing for the customer, and we have some predefined currency here. So let me close this one for now. We also have an option to print. If you want to get a copy of your current bill, you have an option to print. If you want to apply a discount, we have an option to apply a discount, maybe as a number, as a currency. You can give direct discount, or by percentage if you can give 10% discount. And when you apply, you can see that 10% discount has been applied. So if you want to clear the discount, click on discount and cancel discount. It will come back to the original price. And we have an option called as quick pay. Quick pay is as soon as you press quick pay, the bill will be closed because here we don't receive how much money we received from the customer. And the other option is open drawer. It will order the cash drawer where the cashier can place a bill, press the money, keep the money inside. So I will go to the takeaway order. So as soon as I click on takeaway, it will create a new order and which will mark as a takeaway. Here I have an option to put the numbers and everything, but now it's not necessary that you put the number. You can directly close it. So right now you can see that it's a new order. I add 2 Pepsi, 2 7-Up, and the order is ready. So I will create one more delivery. Customer, I get a call. I click on delivery. I get a now I type number for the customer. If the number is already in the system, it will show the name and the address. If you want to put some instruction which will be printed on your receipt, you can put it here. Make it spicy, save it. So it saved it, and now you can start taking the order. So now it's ready. And if you go to recall is a place where you see all your pending orders where we haven't closed it, where we haven't received the money. So if you go to recall, we can see that we have 3 orders. One is delivery, one is dine-in, and one is takeaway, and each type of order will be colored in a different way so that you can identify each order separately. So if you want to go back to any of these order, you can click, it will take you to the order. If you want to add more items, you can add it. If you want to close it, you can click on quick pay, or you can click on pay. So right now let me click on quick pay. Yes. So since the printer is not connected, it will ask you to print as a PDF or whatever is based on your settings. So right now it's going to a printer, but actually the printer is not connected, so that order is closed. If you go to, you can see that it's sending to some printer, but right now the printer is not connected. You can close it. So if you go to recall, you can see that one order is closed, so you don't have to think about it because that money has been received. So let me close it and I will show you the sales report part. I will close here, and if I go to sales report, I can see that there is only one bill sold it for today, and you can see all the items in that bill. So these are the items, and you can see the price, the other details, the tax, everything. You can see how much discount we applied, what is the order type, everything. We have an option to cancel a sale. We can print it to the printer, your report. We have an option to send by email, and whatever cancelled bill is there, we can see it, and some more options to help you. We have an Excel export where you can export the report to an Excel sheet. So that's basically about billing screen, and we have one more option called as recall delivery. This is for managing the delivery. If you are managing the delivery, if you have more drivers and you are giving different orders to different drivers, you have an option to manage those drivers, and also we can track each driver's sales. So I will show you the option where we can create user. You can create unlimited users. If you go to users, right now you can see that there are so many users. If you want to create new user, it's very simple. You can create user, put username, you can put password, you can select role, you can select the location, you can put the email ID. And also when you come to access rights, here you will see all the permissions you can assign. You can select the user from the drop down, and from the left side you can select the permissions and you can assign it. That's how it all works. And if you come to login history, you can see that there are options where you can see each person's login history, so we can make sure that the person has logged into that date and on that time. So these settings, what you see here is the main settings where we put the name for each restaurant. If you want to change any of the restaurants, you can change it. And also we have an option to put the address. You can put your contact number and some details which you want to put on the bill. And if you have if you are registered for a TRN number, or if you are registered for GST or for TRN, you can put it here. It's applicable for both UAE as well as India, and you can put the tax percentage here, and some more options which will be explained when you are purchasing this software. So I hope this video helped you to understand the basic function of the software. We have more options in the software. If you want to purchase this software, the links are provided under the description of this video. So thank you so much. If you have any query, you can always click on the link, and also WhatsApp number is provided. So thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.